Akuapem Poloo, they don't call her for order because of the new pictures where she just dey post everywhere. For June 30, now this girl do birthday with him pikin where she post abeg for una wey never see those pictures. Those pictures no be here. Abeg see her na there, na them be that. You do birthday, celebrate, and na her caption sef even funny me pass. She dey direct the caption to her pikin. She said, "I gave birth to you like this. That is why I'm snapping this picture with you like this. So in case you see me lying on the ground, just know that I am your mother." I no understand. I no just like this very quote, they confuse me. So if you no snap like this, they know if the boy no go know say you be a mother. Oh God. My people. Now they don't call am because the last time when they ask her make she come, she no come. Just they give plenty excuse. She no show up. So now they don't adjust the date to January 29 next year. Now this girl get case again. And before they bail am, yes, they come tell her say you go pay 100,000 because all these plenty things. No, the thing don't they cause commotion everywhere. Yes, and you now know say she go get people where they look up to her. So they need, if they no settle this thing now, it will affect many people. My question now be say, Bia, all of una way they do feminist. Where una dey now? No, una supposed come outside now come talk this one because if na man do this kind thing, imagine say na man snap like this with him daughter, una go to say na rape case or na child abuse or una go give her name. But now nobody they come outside come talk as woman wey do this thing. No, una suppose they think sometimes because I no just understand. Where the people now we suppose come tackle this matter, where una dey? Because now everybody don't close eye. Yes, and this matter if they very serious. So if we no treat her, see this person now, this boy at this age now this boy don't they experience this kind of thing. Una dey imagine wetin this boy go do when they don't reach maybe 18. What even they talk sef 12 or 16. Una go dey hear different stories. This boy now if he turn rapist, if he turn robber, criminal na criminal. Now see mama, na she they teach this boy now how to go outside that way. Yes. And criminals now where they road, them get mama. So parents, una get serious matter for these children. Because even criminals where they outside, they get parents. So any criminal where you see, no say na mama. Yes, parents, because we play vital roles in the lives of our children. Yes, so una supposed think calm. Imagine now people dey for this world where they cry, say they need pikin, they know they see pikin. See this one now. She at least God don't manage bless her with pikin. My people, why this girl no fit just sit down for one place? Train this boy well. After all, we need politicians. So at least if you want to do something good for this boy, pray for him, train him well, so that you will not end up like all those other people. There are rooms for people in this life, so you need to train this boy. I don't understand. What you not even they do? People. No. This woman. See, they don't sit down for your village, do meeting on top of your head. Now why you know if you just think straight? Are they very sure? Hey, Nigeria. They don't tell Buhari say if he no take time, if he no listen to him people will put him for that seat. Say Nigeria will burn down with fire. And not true. This one now, now government of Rivers State can't talk this one. Oga, you have tried. I better put the picture. Well done, sir. Because at least, not be say, me, I know the supporter. I know the supporter, but this statement when it don't come out, it makes sense. And for now, when never watch the video, I want make una hear and wear with your own ears. Watch the video.
You're seeing the body language, the decisions, the wordings of the government. Do you have some trust in this government to implement some of the recommendations, if not all, that were given at this meeting?
Well, I'm not a pessimist. I'm not a pessimist in the sense that I don't believe that well, because you did not do what we agreed yesterday, therefore you will not do what we agreed today. I believe, like I said, even if he has not done what he has told Nigerians as I yesterday, does not mean that he will not do today. I mean, people have problems and challenges. He will say, okay, look. I promised Nigerians yesterday I was going to do this, I didn't do it. And that is affecting my integrity. And so for people who know me, I will always implement what I've agreed. And so, like I said before, it's an opportunity for him. I don't want to talk about the issue of distrust or not trust in the government. People have raised such issues that they don't think that anything will come out of all the dialogue. It's the mayor trying to beat time, you know. I don't agree to them, but I believe that, look, if the president does not do, given the opportunity he has now, then he will be putting Nigeria on fire.
The problem is say, the problem wey Buhari get, if you ask me, into dey play politics. Even for something wey no need politics, e still wan dey do politics around. See, oga, sometimes you need to drop politics down and treat human beings like human beings. I dey tell you now. Because now, imagine say Buhari even block citizens for this thing, make dem no dey comment for im status. All those things na dey affect the economy. Na people put you there, so they need hear wetin you need lis ten to them. Oga governor, even if I agree with you, na be I no talk say you good o, because all of una get una own for body. Yes, una get una own for body. Na this same governor, na you send people make they go kill Igbo people. So now you don't come outside come dey do like the good one. You made sense in this your video, but I don't know whether because it is possible say they plan am. Yes, it is possible they don't bring am outside make e come do this video so that people go think say we still get good people. Mr. President, we are no longer in the military regime. So you no fit just do things and expect your citizens not to talk. Gone are those days. So now you need to give people room to express themselves. Abi una dey understand me? You need to give people room. And then charity begins at home. You need to start with the people in your country. Listen to them. I never see where president no dey listen to people. This thing na only for Nigeria they see say dey happen, because other countries, at least you need create one avenue where they make people give their own this thing. You understand? Now, Mr. President, my own small contribution where I get for you now be say, no vex. I know say many things don't happen, but as this, even your fellow politician don't come outside talk this thing, I bet listen to them. You understand? Listen to your citizens, because they put you there. Without them, you won't be there. And the advice wey me I get for you, so they watch this video, I no hate you. So my people, yes, now one-on-one TV be this, and maybe you are Aproko madam. Don't forget, drop your comment for the comment section. Share this video, make everybody know wetin dey happen for this show. And if you never subscribe, what do you dey wait for? Subscribe. You understand? I go see you later.